a guide works when you have a how-to. It works when you're going to a market and the person already wants what it is that you're offering. So it's like how to become a digital marketer, how to write a book. They just want to know the how-to. And so it's very good. You can make them pretty fast. Now we're going to do our lenses like normal, but I was sitting there thinking, okay, what would be great to share with this group? I got the intuition to talk to you about guide funnels. So we've had really good success using guides, which is a very short version of a book. Okay, so a guide is a very short version of a book. It guides someone in a certain way, but they're not very long. So a few years ago, we launched the Digital Marketing School Guide, and we built a $10 million a year business mainly off giving people a guide how to become a high-paid digital marketer. Cookie, is that right? Cookie was the one that implemented this system actually. And how it worked, I'm going to show you the funnels and everything, is the guide was a simple PDF that outlined how to do it. It explained who we were, how to do it, the steps involved. So look, hey, so the guide was very successful when it came to that business. We've also created a guide for, how to become a high-paid coach. And then just this last week, how to write a highly profitable book as a guide. So I thought, I got inspiration to show you a little bit about guides. So here's the how to become a high-paid transformational coach guide. And as you can see, the page at the front is really simple. And it says, grab the guide, basically. Here is the high profit book guide. Now, the guide is really good. By the way, there you are, JD. I put you on yesterday. And then what happens is you basically have a video that explains to them what's in the guide. And then this book's a call. So if we go here to become a coach, they opt in to get the guide. And it says, hey, before you download it, watch this video and then book a call. So why might you want to use a guide? Let me have a look at what other information I've got. I believe this is the actual PDF of the guide, so I can show it to you. So it's 27 pages, the guide. So this is the actual, it's free, right? So it doesn't have to be anything too big. It's 27 pages. And not every page is fully text either. It's got some screenshots because it's a guide. Some testimonials on there, and very little text. And so this is the same with the high profit book guide, how to create a six-figure book. So this is 112 pages. And I actually had a webinar transcribed to make this. And you see each page, I mean, the text is big, right? Like, I don't know what size that text is, but it's very much, about the pictures, taking up a lot of room. Like, if you think about just those first 6 pages, there's probably only a paragraph of text because it's not about that, you see? It's about a guide. So look, I just got inspiration to share that with you. Is that valuable to anyone? That maybe you want to write a guide and you can give the guide out there. So we're able to get, for our how to become a high paid coach, we get leads for $6 into that. It costs me $6 to get a lead. People want how to become a high paid coach and they get the guide. And then we book them into phone calls and we ask if they want to join our certification. It's about $1,500 to get someone to buy our certification, which we sell for $20,000. So it's a very, very good thing. Then we have the high profit book guide. And we haven't got those leads working very well yet. They're at about $27, but it's very new and we're working on it. So anyway, that was just a little bit of something that popped into my mind about 10 minutes ago. I thought I'll talk to you a little bit about guides. And so they are a fast way for you to get something out, utilize most of what we're doing here. Obviously, it's not a full book. I don't think you could sell a guide, to be honest. It's not quite enough to sell. I think you're better off giving it for free. And then on the second page, once they've got the guide, you ask them to book a phone call. And the phone call is after they watch a video. So if you have a quick look at that second page on the funnels, and happy to give you these funnels, you see that there's a video. Now the video is a 29-minute video. It's me going through the strategy. And then it says book in a call. And so the idea is you give them the guide, but now they've got the guide, they need to have a call to actually implement it. And that should be the same on the, yeah, so on the other one, download your guide, and now you get a discovery session to learn about becoming a high paid coach. Cool. So, they're not remarkable or revolutionary things. They're just a thing that will work if you wanted to put a guide together and it books in applications for you. So there's a system. So if you wanted to get one of those done, you could simply take that link, Drion, send it, go to Upwork or wherever it is that you've got your people who make things for you. And you can say, hey, I want one of these made. And if you've still got one on our team, we do a couple here for you. If you've still got one on our team, that's great. But, you can also want to teach you to fish as well, not just, so you can send it to someone, say, this is the kind of funnel. Can you remake this for me? Right. And let's go. You know what I mean? And that's the way to say, can you remake this for me? Here's the words I want to use. Here's my text. Here's my guide. And that's it, And any experienced web designer or funnel builder will be able to click through those pages and go, oh yeah, I know how to make this. So, hey, I hope that was valuable. I hope it was a valuable thing. A guide works when you have a how-to. You have a how-to. It works when you're going to a market and the person already wants what it is that you're offering. So it's like how to do, become a digital marketer, how to write a book, they just want to know the how-to. And so it's very good. You can make them pretty fast.